I want to record and say, hey, Kylie. Hi. So I like to make noises with my mouth. Mm-hmm. Say hi, pretty girl. Say hey. Hey, you tickle baby. Give me tickle box. Give me a tickle box. Hey. Mommy love you. So we're going to be uploading videos. And Mommy has a show coming out that she's going to be doing with a couple of friends and some special guests and stuff. And it's, you know, something simple but real and to the point. Some comedy. Hope you stay tuned. It's going to be kind of interesting. A little odd, but interesting. Isn't that right? So, hi, Kylie. Hey. So, I'm a happy baby. So, I'm not even 4 months old yet. And all this length belongs to me. Do I look pretty in my hair bow? She has more length than what it looks. She just going through the trot up stage. You say bye-bye? You say bye? You say bye-bye?